Peter COVID Scissors, and today we are making my pink slime, and we need to use pink. We need to use pink. We use pink glue, and we use shaving cream, and we use Elmer's magical liquid. And today I'm making my own pink slime, and it's gonna be fluffy because we got shaving cream. Yeah, and Avery's already made her blue slime in the other video, and I'm making my own slime today. And let Ava talk now. Okay, so we're just gonna open this bottle right now because it's a bit easier to like get it. Okay, so we're just gonna turn it upside down and then we're gonna squish it out. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see, but wow, look at that pink color. Isn't that pretty? It might take a little bit of a while for us to get in. If you saw in my video, yeah, it took a long time. And I'm just gonna help my sister a little so she can get out some. And if you saw in our last video, this made the same noise. Almost got all of this glue in there. Okay, so we need a little bit more. And now my sister's gonna add the shaving cream. Just give it a shake first. So I always shake it first because otherwise it won't like come out that good. Okay, so that's enough shaking, and now we're gonna squirt. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we made a bubble. Okay, so that's enough shaving cream. And now my sister's gonna mix. And Ava's gonna pour the activator in. Yeah, when she needs it. My one's getting so pink. Like, she's got a little less slime than me because she didn't add that much shaving cream, but still, it's looking really good. So she's just gonna mix a little more. It's kind of already getting a slime consistency, but you wouldn't want to put your fingers in it yet because it's not really stretchy and all. Well, it's stretchy, but it's not really slime. Okay, so I'm gonna start pouring some of the Elmer's magical
all of it,
liquid in. And she's gonna start mixing in that slime. Okay, so she's gonna put her hands in there.
No, not yet. I need to mix.
She's just gonna keep mixing it.
Yeah, so I can get some so I can get it more like Ava's.
Okay, so now I think it's ready. Yeah, that's ready. Okay, put your hands in.
No, I just want to
She's just gonna mix it a little more.
Yeah, so it can get better like yours. Ava, stop.
Okay, so we're just checking if that's good.
Mama's getting so pink, like it's so filled. It's not so stretchy now, but it's still stretchy like this.
Yeah, it's a little stretchy.
Yeah.
It's starting to get the consistency that we want. And now she needs to mix with her hands.
Wait,
okay.
I just need to get
She's just gonna mix it more.
So it can get us the bowl easy.
Okay, I think that's enough now. Now we need to mix with your hands.
Ava, can I get it all?
I'll get it off the spoon for you. Wow, that's getting good slime. Just need to get that off my hand. Yep. Okay, yeah, let's start doing it. I'll just put this away. Yeah, wow, look at that stretch. Okay,
Ava,
so
let go, it's my
it's starting
slime.
to get the consistency that she wants. And I was just checking and seeing
how good her slime was. And it was pretty good when I felt it. Yeah.
Cool slime. Mine wants to make funny noise, but if it doesn't make my funny noise.
Okay.
Can I hear the funny noise? I want to go with this. When I do that, it pops a bubble and it pops a bubble. And hope you enjoy and see who's doing the great video in this bowl in this slime video. Bye.
What she means is comment down below whose slime do you think is better. The video that I did, which was the blue slime, or the video that she did in pink slime.